In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an App Store gift card in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to treat yourself or give someone else the gift of endless apps, games, and media, this guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, if you're living in a region where it's available, the most straightforward way to purchase an App Store gift card is directly through Apple. This ensures you're buying from a legitimate source, and it often provides you with the flexibility of different delivery methods. To start, you'll want to navigate to your local Apple Store website. Each country has its own tailored site, so be sure to select the correct one for your region. For instance, if you're in the United States, you can go to apple.com/shop/gift cards. Meanwhile, if you're in the UK, the website to visit is apple.com/UK/shop/gift cards. These pages are specifically dedicated to gift cards, giving you a seamless experience. Once you are on the correct website, you'll be met with two main options for delivery: email delivery and physical card delivery. Email delivery is ideal for immediate gifting or personal use, as you or the recipient will receive the gift card virtually instantly. On the other hand, if you prefer a tangible card, you can opt for physical delivery, which gets shipped right to your doorstep. After deciding on your preferred delivery method, the next step is selecting the amount you'd like to purchase. Apple typically offers various denominations, allowing you to choose the perfect amount depending on your budget or the occasion. This flexibility ensures you can tailor the gift card to meet your needs. With the amount decided, you'll be prompted to enter an email address. If you're sending the gift card to someone else, this would be the recipient's email. Alternatively, if it's a self-purchase or surprise gift, you can enter your own email or other relevant details. Make sure to double check the email address for accuracy. This is crucial for email delivery. Finally, it's time to complete your purchase. You can conveniently pay using your credit or debit card. Apple provides a secure payment gateway to ensure your details remain protected, completing the purchase safely and quickly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily buy an App Store gift card and open up a world of possibilities for you or your loved ones. Enjoy the convenience and joy these gift cards bring, whether you're unlocking new features for yourself or gifting a bundle of fun to someone special. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting.